The next quarter is coming fast, and the companies who prepare now are the ones who will dominate it. Here's what you need to be ready for. First, AI integration is about to jump again. AI-driven tools are no longer optional. Businesses that integrate them early see faster output, lower costs, and a major competitive advantage. Next, cybersecurity is tightening. Cyber attacks spike every quarter, and this next one will be no different. It's time to upgrade your defenses. Zero trust systems are quickly becoming the new standard. Then there's data. Data is the new fuel. Your decisions must be data-backed. Real-time analytics will separate the fast movers from the companies that are still just guessing. Also, automation is expanding. Those repetitive tasks, gone. Automation will take over more workflows than ever, freeing your teams to focus on strategy and innovation. Finally, market shifts are accelerating. Consumer behavior is evolving faster than we've ever seen. In this environment, adaptability is survival. This is your blueprint for the next quarter. Stay ready, stay ahead. This is Tech Outbreak, decoding the future before it arrives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.